What is up, guys? Alright, I am out here on the Guadalupe River today doing a little fishing. I put in on the I-35 Dunlop ramp, and man, I gotta say, fishing is hot today. I did catch something nice, maybe a few nice ones, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to find out what happened. So, that being said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, well, I'm doing something a little exciting for me, and this is my first ever whopper plopper. So, I've never thrown one. Of course I know what they are. I know all about the whopper plopper, but I've just never had one. And today, you know, I'm out here on the Guadalupe River, and I just figured it'd be a good day to try it out. So, we're gonna get turned back around where we can do some fishing, and hopefully we can catch a big one on it. Looks good. Man, it's hard dodging all these little weeds out here. This grass is ridiculous. Alright, well, I'm tired of catching all this grass. I mean, I can't get a clean throw off. I don't see how I'm gonna catch fish with this thing right now. I can't get a single throw off. I really wanted to throw the plopper, but I mean, I can't get a throw without getting grass. Oh, no, no. Oh my gosh, guys. I cannot just believe that. Oh no. That was big. That was big. I have fish. I do have fish. Oh, I've got a fish. Oh, he's decent. It's a pretty good fish. Okay. That's a pretty good fish. There we go. There we go. Up in that current. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Stay on there. Nice fish. There we go. That's what I've been looking for. Circle hook. Looks like it worked, actually. Wow. That is a very nice river bass. Right up in that current. Right where he should be. Beautiful fish. Look how healthy. I mean, can you believe that that fight was from a fish this size? I'm gonna get a weight on him just so that, like, I know, because I I'm gonna guess he's about 2.5. Power. 210, almost a 3-pounder. Nice fish. Nice fish. Woo! Alright, that was awesome, guys. Well, hope that the water isn't on the lens too bad, but first fish of the day. It's a nice one on the Yum Dinger. Wacky rigged. Something's coming up now. I don't know if there's a glare or not, but that's awesome. Okay, so that gives me a lot of confidence. So keep fishing today. And this is where he bit. He was right here. This is so shallow. He was just up in this current, I guess, behind one of these rocks. And he crushed my worm. So I'm gonna get back out there. There's more fish to catch today. Y'all stay tuned. Well, I gotta say, I'm ready to go back when I get home and immediately watch the video of me fighting that fish, because that was insane. That was one of the best fights I have had all year. I mean, he darted straight back at me. It wasn't even like the current, because he came towards me. And I mean, he just, I mean, he was dragging the kayak. The line was screaming. Whew, those river bass, man, they are something else. They're something else. All right, I need a few more of those. Do I have a fish? I do. I've got a fish. It's another good one. It's a good fish. Oh, that's a very nice fish. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo! That's a big one. Okay. All right, that's better than the last one. Very nice fish. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good fish. Oh. There we go. There we go, boys. Boys and girls. Shout out to Mom for the Yum Dingers. Oh my gosh. I think that's my best of the year. My Texas best. My Guadalupe River best. Oh my gosh, I think it's at least 4. Oh, I don't know though. What in the world? Oh man, he's at least 4. But let's get this weight. Let's get a weight on him. Okay. Oh man, 3. Oh. He's 315, so right at 4, and that is tied for my best in Texas. So almost a PB for down here, but look at that fish. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, guys. Can you believe that? What a tank. 4-pounder, basically. All right, let's get this girl back in the water. Okay. Oh, she's gonna jump? No. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna talk about what I'm throwing here. So this is that super jank, awful, cheap circle hook I'm throwing. I'm pretty sure it's like Eagle Claw or something, and I remember we got them to fish with shiners a while back, and they couldn't hook a single fish. I'm just hooking the watermelon red flake Yum Dinger through it, wacky rigging it. I've got it on 10-pound fluorocarbon. It is the Berkeley Vanish. and I'm just throwing the yum dinger out there. I don't think I even twitched that one. I think that one just fell and he ate it. And I told you I was coming over to this wall because I see bigs all the time. Big boys. So awesome day so far. Awesome day. Conditions are looking better and better as we fish. So I don't even have to wear the sunglasses yet. I mean, I put them on earlier, but I took them off now. It's 8:15. Incredible morning. Oh, I got a fish. There we go. It's another good one. It's just a decent little guy. But he's not bad. Not bad at all. They can't resist the yum dinger. It's a fat one. Healthy little guy. I'll try to get a picture, but he flipped out of my hand. All right, it's 3 fish on the day. I think we've got more coming. I think I've got a fish. I do have a fish. There we go. There we go. That's another nice. Oh no. Oh, I just got broke off. Wow. Oh, got a fish. Definitely have a fish. There we go, hooked him. Little bass. Little bass on the Guadalupe River. And my yum dinger's gone forever. Okay. Alright, bud. Unhook you. Little guy, little largy. Still fun. Woo. Look at a fish. There we go. There's a bass. Yeah. Look at there. Little bass in the creek. Whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, there he goes. Got one. There we go. Oh, that is a nice one. Oh my goodness. There's a nice one to my left. Wow, I don't know how big it was, but nice fish. Anyways, I have one on the hook right now. I gotta get him off. Alright, little dink. Adios. Great, we got a bass through the tree. Alright, well, let's see how this goes. Now where's the fish? Okay, it's behind me. Come here, come here, come here. Alright, alright. Got the fish. There he is. Throw him back. Okay, now I gotta fix this awful mess. Okay, hey. Got him hung. Oh, fish. Little guy. Little guy. Little guys are fun too. Whoa, chill, chill. Okay, little guy going back in. Oh my, that is a big dog. Look at that thing. That's like the biggest dog I've ever seen. Look at him. That's a big old dog. He looks sweet though. Look at that dog. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, well I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I had an awesome time fishing today. I'm so glad I came out here on the river with my kayak. And man, I wasn't expecting to catch a nice fish like that one I did. We'll just say it's a 4-pounder. It was an ounce shy, so we're just gonna call it a 4-pounder. And I think that it's either tied with my personal best since I moved to New Braunfels, or it's 1 ounce more than my personal best. I can't remember, but it was a big fish, and it's the biggest one I've caught in a long time. I had awesome time, put together a little pattern on the Yum Dingers, wacky rigged. And I mean, yeah, y'all saw it. I caught a lot of fish, had a lot of fun. So guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see in future videos, places you want to see me fish, lures you want to see me try, things like that. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. You've got to subscribe, guys. It helps me out so much. And I mean, this way you won't miss any videos that I'm putting out there. I'm putting out more videos every week. So y'all just got to stay tuned and yeah, subscribe. That being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.